Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to make bread bajji. We need half a cup of besan flour, half a cup of rice flour, salt 1 teaspoon, chili powder half a tablespoon, crushed pepper half teaspoon, Asafoetida half a teaspoon. Now give a good mix and add water. Add water little by little. First I am adding half a cup of water. It's so thick, so I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of water. Now it's in the right consistency. Now let's take a bread. I'm using 4 slices of bread. Cut it into half. You can cut diagonally or any way you like, or you can make it into small cubes. Once the oil is hot, dip the bread into the mixture we made and fry it in the oil. Turn both the sides and cook thoroughly. It will take only a few seconds because the bread is already cooked. Look at the color, it looks so beautiful. Enjoy this bread bhaji with a cup of coffee or tea. Thank you for watching. See you all soon with another tasty and healthy recipe. Until then, bye from Tasty Healthy Cooking. Bye.